Shut up and sit down.
Alright, to install status harnesses, what you're going to want to do is mount the right side, if you're sitting in the seat, to the seatbelt bracket, the clipper, and then the other side you're going to want to mount to the inside wall of the car. This fifth point took me a little bit to figure out, but if you drill into your bracket, you can put an eye bolt. I didn't have the right tap the eye bolt into here. I will probably eventually put a bolt on this, but for right now it's just for testing purposes. And then this is the eye bolt that I was talking about where your stock seatbelt attaches to. Mine had a bar that went across and then it slid. So one here, the harness bar attachment goes there, goes right there to where the upper seatbelt part went. Then you wrap these up based on the SFI handout that's inside, and that's the quick install. Okay, do it again. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? Are you gonna go anywhere?
Yeah.
Where?
To Target.